Like, the moment I become successful is the moment I'm leaving
Right.
Mumbai. Because मुंबई की
Really?
या मुंबई ऐसा शहर है जो तेरे को जाने नहीं देगा and you will always run behind the whole
Why is that? We can talk about that a bit.
yeah I mean so we are basically talking about Mumbai and मुंबई में मतलब छोड़ना and वगैरह वगैरह मुंबई में रहना
Right.
कैसा होता है and
Right.
Rav just said कि what did you say Rav?
I said ki whenever I go to Mumbai,
Yeah.
I don't have a great time, honestly.
Mm.
Okay. Because these people are always busy. It's
Yeah.
like what I've heard of what New York sounds like. Okay. People
Yeah,
are always
yeah.
busy. They are in it for themselves only, and you don't feel very welcome in the city
Mm.
in some sense.
Mm.
But after you're done with your 3 or 4 days in Mumbai, you feel like, okay, I'm gonna go from here, but I feel like I should come back, and you feel that again and again every single time. Whenever I've been to Mumbai, that is how I have felt, which is very weird. And you also
Yeah.
feel like you've arrived. That's what I said. That when you,
Yeah.
I mean, I feel that I have arrived when I go to
Yeah.
Mumbai,
It like
because everyone is
other-
after the same thing, right? Everyone is running after success.
yeah.
They're not there to make
Yeah.
friends or that's obviously there, but they're not there to just have fun or
Yeah.
the core, the center is always key. There's some huge goal they want to achieve, some financial economic goal in their life,
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
this city is gonna help them. It's just gonna be the platform for their dreams to possibly come true. It's also
Yeah.
the city of broken dreams in some sense, right?
It's
So many.
Yeah, it's like, man, Mumbai is it's a jungle. If you're not strong enough, you will get stepped upon. You will get exploited, possibly killed. Like if you don't step your go in the
Step up your
right
game.
direction. Yeah, I
Yeah.
guess. Or if you step up your game a bit too much, maybe then as well. You never know.
You and I are have such a very strong liking for Shah Rukh Khan, right? Shah Rukh Khan had a very rough time when he arrived at Mumbai,
Mumbai, yeah.
and he
I
was
know.
so frustrated by it that he looked into the sky or something, and there was this moment. I'm not sure if it's true, it's a rumor or something, but
Yeah.
they say something in the lines of he looked into the sky and he just looked at the city and he was like, इस शहर ने मुझे इतना रुलाया है, one day I'm gonna rule this city.
Mm.
And now Bandra, holy shit, man, that big house.
That big ass house, and that's not even the biggest house he owns. He has
That's fine,
bigger
but
ones
it's
in
such a
Dubai.
but it's such a lavish house he has though.
Oh,
you've seen
man.
that house, right?
Yeah,
so-
man, it's
And
insane.
he keeps talking about कि I'm a Delhi guy, right? So
Shah Rukh Khan?
हमारे Delhi.
No, Shah Rukh
बोल.
Khan is like, he's the sassiest humble person I have met. It's the sass and the humble ka balance. Like that's the golden ratio that you should achieve.
He's a Colombo boy, yeah.
Yeah.
He's a Colombian boy.
Really?
He
I
used
didn't
to
know
be-
about that.
The guy, Saint Columbus, right? The boys' school.
Yeah.
And he was like a big deal in his school. It's a very famous school, boys' school in Delhi, and he was a big deal. As in, he was given something called the Sword of Honor, if I'm not wrong. Okay, he was great at sports, great at studies, a lot of things.
Interesting.
So ऐसा नहीं कि Shah Rukh Khan, if he did not turn up to become an actor or something, he would have not done great in life.
Yeah.
Colombo boys really do well in life, is I think how it entirely goes. It's very similar to, ऐसे होता है ना, different tier 2, tier 3 cities maybe, towns maybe. You have this 1 or 2 schools which everybody knows about. Oh, this boy is from that school, this boy is from that school. It's like a badge you wear in some sense.
Yeah.
तेरा होता था क्या
Yeah.
कभी?
No.
Father was principal or something, right?
My father is still he recently stepped down. He was the principal of the college that I'm currently studying in, and I was the teacher's kid. My mama was the teacher in my school, and
Right.
Papa was a college professor. when I was in third, fourth grade, right? Mama used
Right.
to leave her. She was the class teacher of my class, so like
Right.
nothing could happen to me. Nobody could touch me.
Right.
So I remember every time like phone went rang, right? And even if it's like somebody else's class, I just used to go and pick up the phone, get outside of the class and start talking. And I used to talk like
Right.
15-20 minutes with my relatives while I was in school, while the class is going on, and nobody said
Yeah.
anything. But I know what you're trying to say. Like there are people.
Did you feel
there's-
very entitled?
I didn't know what I felt until like I didn't know that this is something called privilege until I left that school and was on my own in SBOA. That's right, everybody. I was in SBOA, and that school. Oh boy. You know, I have this is a very silly dream, or like I want to do this. I know I will, but once like you know, I want to do these small like shows, something like
Right.
that Bo Burnham does. So
Yeah.
what I want to do is in SBOA, right, there is a
Right.
pretty big auditorium that they give out to rent every other weekend for shadi or any this. I want to rent that shit out, get my like, and maybe do a like talk show host kind of thing, like a PBTP over there with just
Right.
me, and just shit on the school. Just 1 hour of just shitting on that school. I
1
wanna
hour
do
of 1 hour of Ocus roasting
that.
his school.
Yeah.
You guys, the amount of this here is me projecting my anxiety over the amount of trauma you have given me over
Yeah.
the last few years.
Fuck you.
My
I wonder if the trustees will allow it, or like will I have a क्या कहते हैं court case
Say.
on me or something.
court case.
Yeah, it's possible. These guys can do it.
Forget court case. Let's talk about something related to which most people may or may not know about. That Ocus has finally managed to get corona. Yeah,
Cheers,
guys, what's up?
everybody.
Cheers, guys. No, not cheers, everybody. Please, please stay the hell away from Ocus if you see him now. Okay, he
I
has
have been
corona.
quarantined ever since I returned from Goa.
Right.
How am I
Do you
feeling?
regret-
How am I feeling?
Do you
Do
think
I
that
regret?
this is no? I'm asking if you feel this is what you deserved, given that you did not include Jayesh in the plan. Like yes, I deserve
Probably,
this.
yeah. I think I wish, but Bhospuri ka hai Jayesh. He didn't come. We invited him. Okay, that if he's saying कि मेरे को छोड़ के गए, it's all lie. He didn't come himself. I remember like 2-3 बार बोले थे, पर बंगाली के पास पैसे नहीं थे.
And what about Brian?
I wish I called Brian, man. At that moment, I completely like मेरे दिमाग में click ही नहीं हुआ. I don't know why, but I wish I called Brian. But yeah.
Well, whatever you say right now doesn't matter because Brian is gonna edit it and he's like, "What a freaking
fucking,
lie!
yeah.
This bitch."
yeah, ऐसा कट से I am glad I didn't invite Brian. ऐसे कट करके गया. Man.
Yeah. But hey, Brian got monetized recently.
Brian did get
Fine.
monetized. Yeah.
Yeah, he did get monetized, which is so great. Finally, now
I mean, I'm surprised he is not bigger.
he
than is.
hadn't got. Yeah, right, exactly. He's so good. He's so entertaining. Did you see his recent video? It was so
Yeah,
funny.
and he has been getting better and better. It's not like he's
Better and
not
better,
getting
yeah.
better.
Right,
Like
right.
I think the last year I met him, he was kind of like he was slacking, I suppose, and I didn't find anything intriguing in him just then. But now he's getting better. His humor has gotten better, and it's not like he like just because like I used to think maybe because he speaks English, the audience is restricted, but it's not even that because I speak English most of the time. I see Ria Gugoi,
Right.
who's blowing up right now. She speaks a lot of English for most of her vlogs. So it's not, and Mythpad does that, and there are few more English speaking channels that are blowing up. So that's not a case. I just don't understand why Brian is not blowing up.
Maybe eventually people will find out about him.
Yeah, hopefully they do, because he has a lot of potential, man. He has like
Yeah, he does.
there are very few special क्या कहते हैं
His work ethic is insane.
his work
It's
ethic is like
insane.
no, but like there are only very few people that are able to do what he does. He's very spontaneous and he's
Right,
genuine,
right.
and like all of the things that all of it just clicks. He has genuine love for games.
Right.
He has genuine love for YouTube. He likes editing. He's actually very witty, very spontaneous, you know. So like everything is just there. I can't seem to fathom what is that one piece that is missing, that is just not, you know, making it click, making him blow up.
Do you think it is probably because he's the kind of guy who would not do something he doesn't like even enjoy like to 100%? He'll not even like pursue it under any circumstances, because he really genuinely loves to edit.
Yeah.
Are you eating chocolate right in front of me?
Yeah. You want
Just
some?
because this guy gets corona, he gets free chocolate? What nonsense, guys. What nonsense. Somebody send me chocolate, please.
You sent
I'm
me
not
chocolate.
sure.
They still haven't arrived yet.
What?
Yeah,
Nonsense. You've seen the bill. You've seen the bill. I paid for that shit.
He paid $300 for chocolate, so that like these chocolates should have come to me. They still haven't arrived.
I think they arrived at somebody else's house.
Possibly.
Or maybe your brother found it and ate it.
Possibly.
Or maybe your
My
dad
family
found
is
it.
like that. My family is like that.
They
would
find the
eat it.
chocolate and they finish it.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Auntie is one of
Yes,
one of
especially
those
auntie.
mothers who will finish. Oh, I was thinking, मुझे लग रहा था ऐसा कि क्या बोलते हैं, auntie looks, and it seems like, since I have met her, she seems like somebody who goes to the fridge in the middle of the night and finishes all the sweet.
Yeah. Not in the
She is
middle
that
of the
kind of
night, in the middle of the day in front of you. And she won't let. So I brought aam papad from Goa.
Right.
You know aam papad, right? They're like square,
Yeah.
bunch of toppings. So
Yes,
and she
yes.
loves them. So I was like, I'll
Right.
keep it in the fridge every day. Like the whole family loves it. Every day we'll take one.
Huh.
One day I open, I take two, and I leave. And in the morning I come back, it's finished.
How many did you get?
I got two. Sorry, I got one whole package. I took two from
Which had?
myself, and
And how
उसमें
many
I
were
guess
there?
24-25 रहेंगे और. She
No.
ate all of them. Yeah.
You are making this up.
No man,
making this
she's.
up.
I am telling you na. My family is of Hapshis. We finish everything. That's why we always have shortage of food at my place. That's why I hide food in my drawers. Because रात को भूख लगती है and I go open the fridge and there's nothing in it. That's why I order from Swiggy these days. अब तो नहीं कर रहा because Corona. But
I have been having a horrible time at home, man. Horrible time at home.
Really? Why?
Yeah, my mother is she is constantly nagging me to gargle after every meal. Okay,
Yeah.
saline water gargling and
Yeah.
take steam inhalation. And I kid you not, Ocus, one of these days my face is gonna burn off because of latent heat from the steam. Okay, that's what's gonna happen. I'm trying to like breathe the steam and my mother is like, nahi properly put your face into the freaking kettle, jal jayega, I don't care, but अच्छे से properly. I'm like, mama please, like every single freaking time she's so persistent about it, man. Like I don't understand, mama please, मैं बड़ा हो चुका हूँ. It's so weird. See, it's fine if I was like, I would understand if I was 17. Actually, I won't if I was 17 because I was 17, right? But now I'm an adult. I'm a fully grown adult. Please stop like nagging me the entire time. Like I walk home. I walk home. I can't take my shoes in. I have to leave my shoes outside, and I'm scared that the dog might eat the shoes. So I'm like, no, that's not gonna happen. Like this happens on a very regular basis. Like every time I come back home. हाँ क्या?
Yeah, no. Finish your story, then I'll tell you.
Every time I come back, it's very simple. It's every time I come back home, me and my mother will have a fight. Okay, and when I'm about to leave home, me and my mother will have a fight. Okay, the same day I'm about to catch my flight and go back to Hyderabad. Okay, and we will have some fight, and it will be something on the lines of, you're extremely responsible, you're acting like a kid. Or every other friend of yours is very mature. Okay, they are all very responsible kids. They always pick up my phone. This that. I'm like, mama, what? You're comparing my friends with me on the basis of because on the basis of them picking up your calls and me not picking up your calls. Mama, whenever I call you from my end and ask you, hi mama, how are you doing, you always say that I'm giving a case right now, I'm busy, I will talk to you later. Ha ha ha. Okay, one of my friends recently advised me कि you just fix a time. You just fix a time कि इतने से इतने बजे तक बात होगी. अगर बात नहीं हुई, then I'm sorry. What do you think about that idea?
मेरी फैमिली के साथ मालूम, मेरी फैमिली के साथ भी सेम ही है, और मुझे हमेशा ये लगता है कि मम्मी हाउ डू यू नो माई फ्रेंड्स बेटर देन मी? ये कैसे हो जाता है? हर पेरेंट को ये जरूर पता रहता है कि तुम्हारे फ्रेंड तुमसे ज्यादा मैच्योर है, कैसे आपको कैसे पता चल गया?
एग्जैक्टली हाउ डू यू नो? फर्स्टली एंड सेकेंडली आई डोंट थिंक यू, मुझे पसंद नहीं आ रहा क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कि यू नो माई, यू आर स्टार्टिंग टू लाइक कॉन्टैक्ट माई फ्रेंड्स डायरेक्टली. आई विल टेल यू वाई. बिकॉज फ्रेंड्स तो तुम्हारे बहुत हरामी हैं. ओके, दे आर वेरी वेरी हरामी. ओके, दे विल कॉज प्रॉब्लम्स ऑल द टाइम. किसी ने कभी बोल दिया एक दिन कि हाँ आंटी वो तो गया है,
आंटी मेरे साथ तो नहीं है वो, मेरे को तो तुम्हारे साथ बोल के गए, नहीं आंटी मेरे से तो 3 दिन से बात नहीं हुई है, ले लग गए लोड़े.
भाई दिस इज लाइक your boys should have your back. Okay,
yeah man,
if they are not having your back, if they don't have your back, they ain't your boys. Okay,
yeah,
they have full access to your back in front of themselves, like they can take your case all the time, that's fine, but they should have your back otherwise.
yeah,
Okay, that is what I feel.
the amount
That just sounds
of
so
time.
wrong. That just
No,
that
yeah,
just
I
sounds
know,
so wrong.
that's what I was thinking,
because
like, that they should have your
because
back.
really, your wife called. Can you stop cheating on her, please? Can you stop doing that? That would be great. Please, I'm tired of making silly excuses while you're using my bedroom. While you're using my bedroom to have an affair. Really, I don't
Bruh.
appreciate this.
Bro, I remember the amount of time I have, like these guys, मेरे friends haven't even told me that they मेरा नाम लेके they are running outside, and
Yeah.
their mothers have called me, and अब in that moment like हाँ आंटी अभी बात करवाता हूँ, वो washroom में, and then phone cut. एंड फिर उनको कॉल लगा तो बहुत फ्री के मेरे को बता तो दिया कर, मेरा नाम यूज़ कर रहा है, बिना बताए कहाँ जाता है, तू है किसके साथ? तो फिर बंदी का नाम बताएगा कि इसके साथ, तो चूती है, मेरे को बता के तो जाना. तुझे तुझे क्या लगता है? एंड इट्स लाइक ओह मैन, तेरे साथ ये होता है क्या कि अभी रिसेंटली, लाइक दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव बीन एक्सपीरियंस फॉर अ व्हाइल, दैट यू हैव टू फाइट टू पुट योर ओपिनियंस फॉरवर्ड. Like what happened, I'll give you an example. What happened was when I was coming from Goa, right? And I was coming from Goa and I was like कि I was in car and I texted Papa. I was like Papa, जहाँ में मेरे पापा प्रिंसिपल है वहीं पे हॉस्पिटल है एंड वहाँ पे टेस्ट होते हैं. तो आई वाज लाइक, बट वहाँ पे रेफरल रखता है. तो मैंने पूछा पापा से कि रेफरल का इंतजाम करा दो, मैं आ जाता हूँ, टेस्ट करा देता हूँ. एंड माई डैड वाज लाइक नो डोंट डू इट, तुम यू आर फीलिंग फाइन राइट, एंड यू डोंट हैव टू डू एंटीजन, इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट, आ जाओ घर पे. RT-PCR कराना होता तो करा लेते, इट्स नॉट. सो लाइक RT-PCR करा लूँगा, कुछ जुगाड़ तो बिठाओ. ही इज़ लाइक नो 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 नो, अभी नहीं होगा, अभी मैं बिजी हूँ. एंड आई केम बैक होम. अगले दिन आई हैड दिस फीवरिश, राइट. मैं गोवा से आया हूँ ट्रिप से, एंड द होल डे आई डेंट फील एनी थिंग. I was feeling fine, I was laughing, I was having a good time. I took a bath. आते ही I didn't meet mom and everything, but like मैंने distance maintain किया था. Of course I met mom, but मैंने distance maintain किया. And then at night मैं full AC full blast पे चला के सो गया. Usually what I do is चालू करता हूँ, रूम ठंडा हो जाता है, मैं बंद कर देता हूँ, and then I sleep. मैं बना के सो ही गया सीधा. And सुबह उठा हूँ, and that's when I started feeling feverish. And even then I told पापा एंड मम्मी कि यार मुझे टेस्ट कराना है, मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा बीमारी सी. एंड माई मॉम एंड डैड बोथ आर लाइक ऐसा कोरोना नहीं होता है, कुछ नहीं है, ये क्या सिर्फ हल्का सा बुखार लग रहा है, तुम्हें बुखार है भी नहीं. एंड आई डिडंट हैव बुखार, आई हैड लाइक मे बी 99 थर्मामीटर पे. सो ये होता है. एंड मैं दोपहर in the morning, this is the conversation I have with my parents, and दोपहर में I'm like no, I'm feeling something wrong, I need to get tested because मेरा दिमाग भोसड़ा हो रहा है. So मैं किसी को बिना बताए सीधा ऑटो पकड़ता हूँ, एक ओला ऑटो करता हूँ, मास्क पहनता हूँ.
What do you mean दिमाग का भोसड़ा हो रहा है? Were you like health wise or like you're just feeling anxious कि भाई हो रहा है शायद मुझे?
Yeah, I'm feeling because मैं एकदम से ये कहाँ से आ गया बुखार. लाइक हाँ एसी चलाई है, एंड या मैंने आइसक्रीम भी खाई थी, हो सकता है उससे, बट लाइक आई एम वेरी स्कैर्ड फॉर माई फैमिली एट दिस पॉइंट बिकॉज बोथ द पेरेंट्स आर डायबिटिक, राइट. सो आई वाज लाइक ओके नो, मैं किसी को बिना बताए ओला ऑटो पकड़ के आई गो गेट टेस्टेड. RT-PCR 1400 रुपये लगते हैं. एंड RT-PCR इज सो ईजी. आई थॉट ब्लड लेते होंगे, नथिंग, दे जस्ट इट्स अ स्वैब. And 15 hours later you get
same for antigen also. Also they take the swab and you put it directly in that thingy.
Yeah.
RT-PCR में they put it in some sample liquid or something like that.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
it
yeah.
changes
And it
color.
takes 15 hours to come and antigen तुरंत आ जाता है, correct? Antigen is like 5 मिनट में. So मैं
I don't think
RT-PCR
RT-PCR. I don't think RT-PCR 15 hours में आता है. That is just sample लेके they'll get it tested, whatever.
अच्छा.
Documented back. बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है. मेरा जल्दी हो जाता है, बहुत जल्दी. It was done in like 1 hour.
ओह अच्छा. So मेरे को 15 घंटे बाद ईमेल आया and it's SARS COVID positive. मेरे फिर मैंने 5 मिनट तो ऐसा प्रोसेस करने में लिया. 5 मिनट तो मैं 2 बार पूरा फॉर्म पढ़ रहा हूँ. एंड ये साले इतने हरामी होते हैं. उसके नीचे ही भाई राफ 8,000 का ये पैकेज, 12,000 का ये पैकेज, 15,000 का ये पैकेज ही डाल देते. मेरी तो गांड फट गई उधर के बैंक 15,000 का खर्चा हो गया. तो एनीवे मैं फिर मम्मी पापा को कॉल किया. एंड इवन नहीं, जब भी मैं टेस्ट कराने जा रहा था तभी भी पापा वाज लाइक कहाँ से करा रहे हो, एक काम करो डॉक्टर के पास जाओ और रेफरल ले लो और यहाँ पे आ जाओ, वो कर लो, ये कर लो. लाइक टूवर्ड्स द वेरी एंड वो नहीं मान रहे थे. एंड देन पॉजिटिव आ गया. ठीक है, तो डैड इज़ लाइक ठीक है अब एक डॉक्टर से बात करते, तू चल. एंड आई वाज लाइक मैं क्यों चलूँ, आई एम कोविड पॉजिटिव, आई कांट लीव माई हाउस. एंड माई डैड इज़ लाइक कि मतलब तू चल, मतलब तू अलग ये कर,
This is
vehicle
all
कर.
phone conversation to share.
या अलग व्हीकल, या अलग व्हीकल लो और इस डॉक्टर के पास आओ सो दैट फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन होता है. अपेरेंटली कोई चूतिया 3rd क्लास आदमी, मतलब ये यू नो हाउ पेरेंट्स आर, वो किसी से भी बात कर लेंगे और हर तीसरे बंदे के पास कोई ना कोई ओपिनियन रहता है बताने का, राइट. सो ऑब्वियसली इन ऑफिस पे हुआ होगा तो कोई बोल दिया होगा कि मेरे बच्चे को हुआ था हमने ऐसे किया था, मेरे बच्चे को हुआ था हमने वैसे किया. एंड ही मस्ट बी कन्फ्लिक्टेड इन ऑल ऑफ दीज ओपिनियंस. सो किसी चूतिए ने बोल दिया होगा कि डॉक्टर के साथ फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन को. एंड जब हम लोग निकले हैं, जैसे ही हम लोग हॉस्पिटल के बाहर पहुँचे, वहीं पे फिर जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स थे उन्होंने रोका है. और फिर उन्होंने फिर मतलब मैं था और मैं अलग व्हीकल पे था स्कूटी पे, और मेरा बड़ा भाई अलग व्हीकल पे था.
राइट.
एंड वहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल ने रोका है. फिर मेरे को सुनाना शुरू, इफ़ यू आर कोविड पॉजिटिव हाउ आर यू आउटसाइड, यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू बी आउटसाइड, यू नीड टू स्टे एट होम, यू नीड टू स्टे एट होम.
तो तूने बोला नहीं कि that is what I was trying to say.
Yeah,
but unfortunately if you didn't notice, my parents are Indian.
या मैं 5 मिनट तक मैं सिर्फ उनके सुन के बोला, सर आपको पता नहीं है, सर आपको पता नहीं है मैं कितना बोला हूँ मेरे घर पे तुमको. लाइक इट्स बिन पास्ट 3 days हैव बिन कॉन्स्टेंट फाइट ऑफ जस्ट मी गेटिंग टेस्टेड. आपको पता नहीं कि मैं कितना लड़ा हूँ अंदर बाहर नहीं आने के लिए. बट देन फाइनली मेरे को बोला इमीडिएटली जाओ यहाँ से. सो आई टुक द व्हीकल एंड आई वेंट बैक होम. एंड वहाँ से फिर भैया हैंडल्ड एवरीथिंग एंड केम बैक एंड दे गेव द मेड्स. एंड आई वाज लाइक मेड्स भी कुछ नहीं देंगे, आई डोंट नीड टू गो टेक मेड्स, आई एम टेलिंग यू क्या मेड्स देंगे, यहाँ मेडिकल है वहाँ से लेके आ जा. पर डैड एंड मॉम वर सो इन द होल पैनिक मोड कि नहीं ये कर लो, वही कर लो. दे आर सो पैनिक्ड एट दैट मोमेंट. आई वाज लाइक मैं कुछ भी कहूँगा नहीं सुनने वाले. It's better that I just go with what they say. And then जब हो गया सब,
it's so weird, right? Like the graph of their panic goes something like initially नहीं कुछ नहीं, but then you are right and they are in the wrong in this very simple scenario, and then they are in full panic mode, and then you are not. Then you are not. हाँ ठीक है, as expected I have prepared myself mentally, I know exactly what to do, but then you like नहीं तुझे कुछ नहीं आता चुप घर पे बैठ.
Like my father is like, अरे तुम जाओ डॉक्टर के पास जाओ ऐसे. And I'm like, Dad, I don't need to go to doctor. I know what medicine से देंगे. मैं मेरे जिनको कोविड हो चुका है दोस्तों को उनसे बात करके आ चुका हूँ, मुझे पता है कौन सी दवाई मिलेगी. ये रे फिश ऑयल, विटामिन सी, ये सेट्राजिन, पैरासीटामोल, these are the
पैरासीटामोल, जिंक खा
yeah fucking, but नहीं तू जा. And I was like, and in that moment I felt so like, जब वो मेरे को बंदा सुना रहा था ना कि you're not allowed to be outside, कैसे आ गए तुम बाहर, कार से आए कैसे भी आए, इट डजेंट मैटर कितनी प्रिकॉशन, तुम बाहर नहीं आने अलाउड है तुमको, तुम पे केस हो सकता है, ये हो सकता है. I was like, yeah,
तुम पे हो सकता है ओकस. Now that you realize, guys, the title of the video is gonna be Okus spreading coronavirus in Navi Mumbai. That's what it's gonna be.
Yeah, I am scared about now that I've told this story, the fact that police case हो सकता है. Now I'm thinking हो तो सकता है.
Somebody's gonna sue you, Okus, just because of this video.
Yeah,
but do you but even though you are out, you are not around people, you are like careful about that, na?
Yeah.
Somebody Somebody's on the way and you just scream in their face, Corona, bhag, side it.
Oh man, but it's not as serious with me as I expected it, because I'm what they call asymptomatic carrier. So basically, I don't have any symptoms.
Yeah, that's
बुखार भी
not
तुरंत
great,
चला गया
August.
था.
That's bad,
Really?
by the way. Because you're asymptomatic, you're a carrier, and you don't
Yeah.
have any symptoms. So people can't tell if you have symptoms.
Yeah.
So August, I think people are gonna avoid you like the plague from now onward.
I
because you're
mean-
an asymptomatic carrier of coronavirus until the vaccine arrives. Which, by the way, if you have read the news, it's gonna
Yeah,
arrive pretty
it's-
soon.
Yeah, it's gonna arrive pretty soon.
So, so guys, the
in-
party is over. 2021, it's gonna be work day again.
Yeah, I am looking forward to work day, man. I'm looking for. This year has not been good for me. I mean, relationship wise it has, but except बाकी सब it has been काफी bad.
What do you mean? It's been a great year, I would say. You started a new venture, this podcast.
Yeah. Did we start it
And-
this year?
Yeah, we started this year.
Holy shit!
We started it.
Feels like forever.
Uh-huh.
Not gonna lie.
Yeah.
It's been tough. It's been tough, man. For especially mentally, for me.
Yeah.
I've gotten
same.
like like बीच में इतना खो गया था मैं, खुद को ढूंढ ही नहीं पा रहा था.
Yeah.
And it
You-
was a
you to know.
ride.
And you don't know about my story, so
Yeah. You should be more open about your stories. You should tell the
Maybe.
people. They deserve it.
maybe in the future. But hey, we reached 8,000 subscribers. Wow. Which means
Thank you,
that
Thagesh.
we're gonna Did you ever imagine?
Yeah.
Cheers. Cheers. Did you ever imagine saying thank you, Thagesh, in the video?
That was the dude. Okay, like, but a lot of people said it in the comments. I was reading it. Yes, I am reading the comments again. They said it ki I have some newfound respect for Thagesh, and I would agree.
He was very genuine. He was very
yeah,
genuine.
he was very
in the podcast.
genuine.
It doesn't really matter like if you are an asshole.
Yeah,
Okay? As long as you like own it.
yeah,
You that kind of if you're a disagreeable person, you're a disagreeable person, right? Like
yeah,
we can't change you, and it's not
Yeah.
we shouldn't change you. It's
Yeah.
what makes you you in some sense, right?
Yeah.
So, and if that comes out in the podcast and you're able to communicate with the other person, then that's just the icing in the cake, man. It really is.
I really like the conversation he and I had, because like the goal, हम लोग का goal भी ऐसा ही है ना कि it shouldn't feel like a podcast. We don't want
Right,
it to
right.
feel like a podcast.
Yeah. We don't.
We want it
I mean-
to like Joe Rogan जैसा करता है.
See, let's look at the premise.
Yeah.
The premise on which this podcast was started. For those of you who do not know, Okus and I, we were on calls before, long calls before, and for a very long time we did not talk. And then one fine day we just talked. One fine night we were like, let's just talk on Discord. And it was like how many hours was it?
It was, I guess, around 2-ish hours.
Close to 3 hours. Okay. And we didn't record any of that. And
Yeah.
it just this time flew by, and you're like, And that is when you were like, soon, just leave Lost Pod and
You had already left Lost Pod. Don't spread this rumor. But I was
Please,
hoping for you to leave Lost Pod.
see, that is fine. You're rooting for me to leave, but like season 2 ke liye, I hadn't made any promises, okay, to Chirag.
During that time, you were starting your own podcast.
I was doing my in my Rav
Solo
channel. I was
podcast,
posting
yeah.
something about just me just talking in front of the camera. I wanted to practice something like that. But then that dreaded day happened, and then
Yeah.
everything just closed. I was like, screw this, I'm closing everything. I can't do this. I can't handle it.
Yeah.
In panic mode full. The premise was good enough.
Yeah.
Hopefully,
Yeah.
man. If I'm telling you, if this thing blows up, if person behind the persona blows up, oh my god. I would just go ahead and no, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say that. No, I was about to say something very, very rude. Okay, I was about to say something very, very rude, unsympathetic, like no heart, like heartless wretch. That's what people would call me for making that statement.
I
I'll not
think
make
I
that
would
statement.
I would do the. I think I know the person behind the persona will blow up. Like, I don't see. I'm more confident in this than I am in my own channel.
That is not a good sign, Okas. I think you should get back in your game, man. I think you should
yeah.
focus. This will eventually get. It's starting to get to a point where it's gonna take care of itself.
Yeah, I feel like.
At least in terms of the process of, churning out the videos. Okay, we just managed to find Brian. He's he's the anchor of this entire podcast.
He is 50% of this podcast.
You remember we had this conversation on WhatsApp and we go, Okas goes, what was the distribution you gave? You gave Ryan 20, you gave me 40, you gave yourself 40, okay? 40, 40, 20. And Brian goes, what do you mean 40, 40, 20? I am 50, you guys are 25, 25. And then Okas goes, kind of true. I don't know what to say.
Yeah, man. I was like, you know what? We don't do anything. He does everything else. Like, at the moment, he was like, when I was outside, he was making the thumbnails, he was posting it, he was writing the description, the titling, he was doing everything. Okay. And for those of you, can we please, finally, guys, if you are listening to this, if you've managed to read to 32 minutes or whatever the time slot is right now, can you please stop asking for timestamp, guys? Please. Oh man, sure.
Please.
क्या ये
Guys,
वेदांत ने ना सबकी आदत बिगाड़ दी है.
True, that is true. I mean, fine, Vedant has a different kind of a podcast. It's very structured in some sense, and people watch it for whatever reasons they watch it, which is great. It's not a bad podcast at all. But like, yaar, how can we give timestamps when we don't even know the topic? Like,
have you seen the amount of tangent we have just gone through?
Like as a tuck, it goes from anything to anything. By the way, did you hear that news? Okay, I think we jinxed it. It's happening. Logan Paul versus Mayweather.
It is fucking happening. That fucker actually did it. Fucking hell.
Man, I was like, I wanted to post something on Person Behind the Person on Instagram. Okay, this is what I wanted to post. I want to post so Logan Paul versus Mayweather is about to happen. Sadly, I hope Logan Paul gets his ass beat. Yeah. This is what I wanted to say. Like, I really hope, man. Yeah. I would pay to watch that. Honestly,
bro, there are so many people who are saying that Logan Paul has a chance. I'm like, I'm still not able to comprehend क्या दिमाग में चल रहा है.
No, I don't even care what this thing is gonna be. I don't care if it's an exhibition, right? It's an exhibition match, so it doesn't even count among Mayweather's list of matches which he wins or loses. It's an exhibition match, okay? So if just for publicity's sake they pull off something like a tie or some shit, okay, something like that, I just want, regardless of that, because I am very doubtful that they will let Mayweather in this entire, like, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a little bit of fake public eye के लिए दिखाने के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें होंगी. Yeah. But I really hope कि Logan gets one proper spanking in one round. He gets. I will just. Everybody would meme
I really
that
wanted
shit.
to just last one round, and Logan trying and Mayweather coming in with a single fucking heavy punch. आँख नीला कर दे और Logan Paul गिर जाए. Because I don't know, man. I like his vlogs. I was enjoying his new shit, man. I was enjoying his podcast. I was enjoying his vlogs and everything that he was putting out. But then he does this shit. It's like, एक punch में तोड़ दूंगा and this and that. I'm like, fuck off, man. Fuck off.
You know what's gonna happen? Yeah. He is gonna. The result is gonna be something in the lines of Mayweather gets to keep the money. Mayweather gets to, obviously he's gonna keep the money. He's money Mayweather, right? Yeah. He's gonna keep the money. Yeah. Logan is gonna make a shit ton of money, and Logan, at the end of it, basically the news would be कि Logan managed to garner some respect back. Okay, this is his redemption in some sense. This will be portrayed as his redemption in some sense. Okay, that is what will be portrayed like.
A whole ये जो नया generation of it's all about the bag and secure the bag fam and this and that. I am okay, yeah, I am behind you wanting to make money, but just वो moment पे जब तुम respect खो देते हो ना, and that's what I feel like. ये जो event है ना, it's a क्या कहते हैं, is disrespectful to the sport in my opinion, man.
It is, and it's not like Logan doesn't have money.
Yeah.
Logan of all people doesn't have money, really. The amount
How
of
much-
Maverick
how much
plugs
money-
I have
yeah.
heard him make in his videos on a
Yeah.
regular basis.
Yeah.
I think we should plug. We should plug like he does.
I have a, like you just mentioned a while back, you need to get back into the game. I have a whole game plan for 2021 because I've
New things?
gotten my ass beaten for. I remember when I got my ass handed to me by 2018, and I was like, I'm gonna make 2019 my year, and I'm gonna grab it by the balls. And just before 2019, I had posted a photo of myself, and I said, happy new year homies, grab 2019 by its balls. And I fucked that year up. I was really good, I was very consistent, and then 2020 happened, and the biggest reason and tell me like if you can relate to it, was like a lot of my shit was very kya kehte hai, external validation related, right? And if I didn't get it, what I used to do was I used to get into other stuff that would help me balance it out. I used to go to gym, I'm gymming just for myself, to be happy and to be content and to be whatever.
Right.
But when
right.
when the corona happened and I'm not allowed to go outside and to interact or do any of the other things that I love, and I just have to sit here and fear face the fears, of external validation, of not being able to, like पहले मेरे पास ये रहता था ना कि हाँ मेरे पास स्कूल है, इसके लिए मैं शायद कंसिस्टेंट नहीं हूँ, या मेरे लिए ये है या मेरे लिए वो है. बट व्हेन यू हैव गिवन सब कुछ तुम्हें दे दिया गया है, ये ले अब कर काम, and you're still not being able to do it, then you get into this my headspace of, do I not enjoy doing this, and when you tell yourself that you do not enjoy doing this, you start not enjoying doing it. That's how brain works. And I got so deep in that mentality that I started losing myself. I saw people who were enjoying it, right? And I started replicating them. And I started hating myself because even after replicating them, I was not enjoying it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And it wasn't until मेरे को सब, like when I hit my lowest of the lows and I realized कि what you're trying to be is other people, and when you give up this part of you,
Right.
you're giving up on yourself. The reason they enjoy it is because they're being themselves. It's so easy ये कहना, just be yourself, but it's so difficult to be yourself, especially as a young one, because 17-18 उम्र तक तो तुम्हें तुम्हारी आइडेंटिटी पता ही नहीं रहती. Like
It's
it's
not
around
completely
this.
formed also.
Yeah, it's around this age when most of the people who are closeted come out. It's around this age when people start discovering and going into their own ventures, and
I think ऐसा नहीं होता कि it's around that specific age. It happens throughout August. Like there are many people who are my age, many people I'm sure who are my age, who are older than me, who are in their 30s, who are married, have kids, and still they feel like there's something lacking, कि कुछ कमी है in some sense. And I think what has helped me over the few months is I've become a lot more grateful. कि ठीक है, because we always have these ideals, right, which we like want to reach out to,
correct.
but we never look at what we have.
Yeah.
It's not like, sure, you should not settle for it, but you should sometimes once in a while appreciate कि ठीक है, I've done really well.
Yeah.
I mean, sure, I could have done much better, but I'm not in that ditch in which I was in, right?
Yeah.
Right.
And
I'm not in the
yeah,
same place as I was in.
Yeah, it's very similar to what you've said. More than that, I've gotten okay with just being. I do not guilt myself if I'm just here for a moment. You know, if I'm here, I am here. It doesn't matter. Like if I'm not, like I'll tell you. क्या होता था? I used to guilt myself for not working. ठीक है. And even if I'm not enjoying working, you know what I'm trying to say? I've been trying to replicate this person, and I'm hating myself for not being happy while doing it, and then I'm forcing myself to do it even more. And when I'm relaxing and maybe hopefully try to figure it out, क्योंकि दिमाग रहता भी वैसा है ना कि when you leave something, your दिमाग is still working on it behind your back,
yes,
right?
Yes. While you're sleeping, while you're doing other chores, it does.
Correct. It's still solving the problem.
Yes, which is so miraculous, right? Imagine that.
Yeah, but I didn't let it have that time, and I used to guilt myself into working, and I used to hate work, like hate fuck. वैसे I used to hate work, and it got to really like, man, it was really bad. So when like मेरा monitor टूट गया, उसके बाद I was like, you know what, I can't work. I'll just stay here right now for the moment. And that whole month, it really helped me just क्या कहते हैं, reevaluate my morals, myself. मैं क्या हूँ, मैं क्यों करना चाहता था, मैं like मैं ये क्यों कर रहा. For example, it was like I wanted to give up the hard working self of mine. I was like, if this stuff is working for this X person and he is able to do it lazily, right, I will do it as well, and it will work for me lazily as well. The problem was that even if it worked and it didn't work, उस पे नहीं depend करता. But the thing is ना, you are not the lazy person. You have been the hardworking person all of your life. So when you're giving up,
you're a very different person. What you mentioned right now. Recently, one of our guests, I'm not going to mention their name because the conversation was private. One of our podcast guests had sent me a video, and he was asking me about his opinion. Something he had said something in the lines of कि I could go in depth in this video if you guys want. So I told him, basically first thing I told him is, you need to stop asking for people's permission now. You are not a 5k 2k channel. You are a big channel now. You're half 100,000 subscribers, half of that. You're like 40,000 subscribers, right? You have a base. They are here to watch you. They are here for your information, and you have that in-depth knowledge. Why are you asking for permission whether you should share in-depth knowledge or not? Given that you already know that you want to share it, stop asking for permission because other people are settling for less. That is not what you are about. That is not what you were about when you started off.
Correct.
Right?
Exactly.
Why would you change change your standards, those standards which basically made you. Why would you lower those standards later in the game? Not later, like once you been recognized in the game. That's not how it goes. You up your standards. You don't lower them. You up them carefully. You don't lower them. You take a break in between. But right now you don't want to take a break, right? You're done. You're done with your breaks, right?
Correct.
Okay. What you're trying to say is essentially is कि now you're building again. You're open to the idea of कि now I'm gonna build again. From scratch. I'm content with what happened in the past. Now I'm gonna build again with a fresh mindset.
I learned from it. I got
let it go.
Better at a lot of it. But like it was that ye realize kiya na, when you're giving up that hard working self and you're like, I wanna be lazy as well, you're giving a part of yourself up. That part that have gotten you till here, that part that is you know. And that's when I realized like, no man, that's not how you're gonna achieve happiness. And why are you doing it? You're doing this for happiness. It might be doing it for some different reasons. You cannot judge yourself by their accords. You have to judge yourself by your own accords.
And we don't even know कि like if for their उनके measurement के हिसाब से maybe what they are doing is hard work for them. अब सबकी
exactly.
Everyone is in a different timeline, right? Like कोई नया not everyone has the aesthetic know-how for the videos which you do. ठीक है? If someone is starting out from scratch,
Yeah.
but they somehow got a viral hit, and they
Yeah.
don't have the similar ones to you, but whatever they have, maybe that is what they are at, that is where the level
Yeah.
they are at, they are also
Mm.
trying to improve.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
think
And
तुझे
yeah,
बैलेंस
yeah.
तुझे बैलेंस रखना चाहिए एक तरह से कि हाँ
बिल्कुल
ठीक
सही
है,
बोल रहा है.
जब मैं काम करूँगा तो my work ethic, this is the standards I hold myself to, that is how I'll work.
Yeah.
When I'm off work, I'm off work.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
is the balance you should look for.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It was very recently ये मैंने realize किया है. And जब भी मैंने ये सब realize किया ना, everything else has become so much pettier. You know, the when all of this, when I was
What do you
losing
mean?
myself, बताता हूँ ना, when I was losing myself, right, I was so much more insecure in everything. This person, this channel who was just built on self-confidence, Papa Okus became so insecure of everything that everything affected me. Everything affected me. And like छोटे से छोटे comments, even if it didn't mean anything, it affected me. But now that all of this shit is done, and now that I'm getting back, I found myself back, and I'm finding my way back. Everything else has become so much pettier कि किसने क्या बोल दिया कि तुझे ये बंदा पसंद नहीं करता, या तुझे ये बंदा पसंद करता है, या तुझे इसका कंटेंट पसंद है कि नहीं. Everything is like, man, I don't care about any of you. All I care about is myself. So like, sorry about that, man. Like, and it's like a healthier mindset, because I used to think, you know, that everything is connected and all of that, and I still believe in it, but everything is connected, तो तुम भी उस चीज़ से connected हो. You are not a separate entity. So when you start fixing things in yourself, everything start fixing itself as well, and everything
Okay.
eventually just falls off in
I have
place.
a question. जो तूने जो mention किया अभी कि I don't care about your content or whatever, I'm caring about myself.
Yeah.
The way you said it, the audience might perceive it as in some sense कि oh, this is very self-centered and he doesn't care about other people.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just put a scenario for you.
Yeah.
Maybe the audience might think that what you're trying to say is very unfair in some sense, right? It
Yeah.
sounds like that. But I'll give you a
Yeah, it
scenario.
does.
Exam में बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है? Okay. Everybody has a different level of intellect to
Yeah.
study for the exams. Okay.
Yeah.
Essay writing का कुछ है something, right?
Yeah.
And तेरी method of studying अलग है, मेरी method of studying अलग है, ठीक है?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you are really good at
Yeah.
the subject,
Yeah.
and maybe somebody else is not, or somebody else has a different exam altogether, or somebody else has a different topic altogether, but they know that you have certain skills, right? And they require your approval. One person gives you asks you a question or whatever, okay, that's fine. Second person asks you a question, that's fine. Exams pass aa rahe hain, theek hai? You're constantly giving exams. Are you gonna sit back and review everybody's work?
Yeah.
No, na?
Yeah. No.
You're not,
correct.
right? Everybody is responsible for their own piece of work at the end of the day, right? It's not. It is okay to, and ऐसा तो नहीं है क्या बोलते हैं उसको कि if somebody sends out request for help,
Yeah.
firstly, it is not practical to expect that you will be able to help every single person out. Number one, right? Secondly, it is not like you haven't helped people out,
Yeah.
right? You
Yeah.
have helped people out, and you
Yeah.
do that all the time. You do that all the
Yeah.
time anyway, right?
Yeah.
So you're doing the best you can for others. जितनी भी तेरी पोटेंशियल है, जितनी भी मैं इतना टाइम दे सकता हूँ तुम्हें, क्योंकि अगर मैंने तुझे और टाइम दिया, मैं अपने आप को ही कम टाइम दे रहा हूँ ना एक तरह से, विच इज़ नॉट फेयर टू यू. It might look like it is unfair to you that he's not giving you time, but it is unfair to him if he's not giving himself time, right?
Correct.
How is that fair?
Yeah. Deepraj Yadav edits, पता है तुझे? He's I think audience might know. He's a big Instagram account. He works with.
Right.
He started off like editing memes and everything.
Right.
And I think he worked with AIB, but now he works with big companies such as Netflix and everybody. And he messaged me recently and he said he sent me some screenshot, some weird ass screenshot. उसमें he was talking to some guy and that guy sent कि ये पापा ओकस का मैटर हो गया था. And then he sent me, is like, मैं तुझे जानता नहीं, तू मेरे बारे में क्यों बोल रहा है? And I was like, मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला, मैंने क्या बोल दिया? And then he sends me more screenshots. Apparently this guy had commented some, he was like this kid was like some edgy dank person.
Who?
The person who commented on Deep Raj's post, and he was saying he was being mean, and Deep Raj, I guess, confronted him, and this kid said ki Papa Okus doesn't like you or some shit like that, and then Deep Raj messaged me back saying what, like, have you made a video on me or something like that. I was like, and that the reason I'm telling you is what you said right now is exactly what I told him. It's like, I am here to make big money, do dope shit, and I don't talk ill of anybody. I don't hold any grudges against anybody. I suggest you do the same. And that's the only thing I did talk to him about. And then he's like, yeah, ye baat bhi teri baat bhi sahi hai, I'll watch a few of your videos, and then we stopped talking. But yeah, that's the thing. Like, do your own thing, guys. Just like I'm telling you, the biggest advice मैं तुमको दूंगा is कि just do your own thing and do it regularly. I've been getting into daily writing.
Do it regularly. It's so difficult, but it is so like it's very
necessary.
Good advice. Doing it regularly, doing whatever you're doing regularly. I don't know, man. That I just realized it much later. Whenever I have had any little ounce of success in my life, it has happened because of consistency. Nothing else. Yeah. मतलब बार again and again, keep doing it, practicing again and again, and you'll be fine. मैंने आज सुबह in the morning, so 2 days ago I posted my video. One of my friends told me कि bro, Beast saw that video, just post now. Just every 3 days you have to post. I'm posting. So every day I wake up thinking ki okay, this one nobody else can edit, nobody else can help me at all, only I can do this, because पूरी idea ही मेरी है start से end तक.
Correct.
So I have to implement it. Every morning I wake up and I edit. Every morning I wake up and I'm on कि भाई कुछ भी हो जाए, 2 hours I'm spending here. And morning time is actually honestly the best time.
Oh my god, yes, great that you talked about it. So I told you I'm getting into daily writing, right? So I've been reading about this. It's gonna sound weird, but I've been reading this book called The Serious Guide to Joke Writing, and because I know I want to get into proper joke writing, how people go about writing material, and so that's it's a good book. Everybody recommends it, and it tells you that joke writing is not that hard. You will it's like you will start seeing the pattern, and it's not like it's nothing in it is theory. It's all practice, everything. And they just say do it every single day, do it in the morning when you get up, and like for like 20 minutes, just write. Towards the end they give an example of this person who writes 6 hours a day. From morning he wakes up at 4 in the morning, and then around 10 till 10 a.m. he just writes. Imagine 6 hours a day this person writes.
6 hours continuously.
6 maybe continuously, maybe not, who knows. And maybe at that point it's not even work, it's just fun. He's just writing, like just freehand. Who knows? See, and they tell you like how like you have to write hundreds of jokes, and out of those 100 maybe 2 jokes will be good, and you will have to change those 2 jokes about 100 times as well to land perfectly. So it's like you have to, so to find that gold you have to dig like a motherfucker for ages, man.
Man, what do you think about happens to all this junk? Like this distribution ऐसे ही होता है ना, क्या बोलते हैं कि you find the gold and everything else is junk. Or mediocre and junk, right? Like there is this abstract pile of just junk and no gold.
It's I used to get very disheartened that junk is coming out of it. But the fact
an abstract pile of mediocrity and junk sounds a lot like YouTube India. I'm sorry, man.
Oh yeah, it has gotten to, I respect the hustle, but nothing impresses me these days.
Some people do. Some people impress me, and it's mostly the newer generation of creators.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, they are. I don't know. Maybe you are not as fascinated, but I am very fascinated by a lot of them. They are like there are these people who are like in 100k, 200k. Some of them are like 5k, 3k. Some of them are just starting out, and they're so good. They're so ready.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I always felt कि अरे यार जब मैं start out कर रहा था, I was not nothing like this. Like they keep getting better and better every single year because they start so
But
early, right?
I think it's not the early, it's the like they're the early bird. Right now they have that garam khoon. When
Right.
you have developed that character,
Right.
that's what impress, because right now you can create insane amount. You can create a movie and that will, I'll still have the same face as I'm watching a shit post. That's just where I've gotten at this point. But it's the mental game that I see a lot of people lack. And if they have the mental game, it's on a very destructive path where I can see that it'll like tear them apart in the future. And it's happening with some of my friends. I see it every day on call, on stories, on posts, and even in like just DMs. I'm like, yeah. And it's so sad that I cannot help, because I sit there and I'm like, I cannot help you. This is your journey. I'll tell you what to do, but the fact of the matter is, what I'm gonna say, you'll have to realize on your own, and you'll have to act on your own, and only then will you be able to get out of it. Before that, it's not happening.
Because you cannot go into the details of कि ऐसा क्यों है, this realization ऐसा क्यों है.
Yeah, because I don't even know. It's somewhere deep rooted in some trauma, some childhood memory. Who knows? Plus, I'm not a therapist. I don't know what I'll say which will trigger them off. So I see, they are on a call with me and they're like, "Bhai, ye ho raha hai, wo ho raha hai." I'm like, I can't. And the fucking problem is, right? These fucking kids, okay? They're fucking so scared. They won't go to the therapist. They won't go to the therapist. ऐसा झापड़ मारने का मन करता है. Like, to some of these kids I know, right? I have sent them the link of the therapist. I have sent them the fucking detailed pricing. I have told them that I'll pay for the first fucking session. Just please go to it. But no. And the moment... No, let me finish. The moment I stop helping them, right? They go to somebody else who's kind of new, right? And will give them that momentarily validation. Yeah.
First of all, finding a therapist which fits you is difficult. Okay, firstly. Okay. And it's a very new setting for somebody. For people in this country, it's a very new setting. You just sit down for this generation. Sit down in front of somebody and you speak your heart out. And I'm just gonna say this, that most of the therapy which is happening in front of a therapist is you talking about what's in your headspace, trying to figure out what's in your headspace, and you finding the solution. Therapist is not gonna do anything. Honestly, it's mostly your work. It's mostly your work. The therapist is gonna just try to help and guide you, and they have to be very, very careful with that. That's why they get paid so much. They have to be really, really careful to make sure कि he or she is properly, he or she or whatever pronoun is properly managing to, get to the solution. That is all that they have to do. They are not gonna provide you with a solution because they don't even know what is the solution which fits you best. You have to figure it out, and it comes by trial and error again and again. I think for me, the reason that I stopped was I found things to be better for me when I started writing, when I started doing free writing. That just changed the game for me completely. Maybe we'll talk about it in some other podcast. But hey, this was basically what.
This was a vibe podcast. This was
simple.
When was the last time we did it? It was around the Q&A, right?
Can't
this
remember,
type of
man.
podcast.
It's all a blur
now. It's been a while since we have done something like this.
Yeah,
I hope
it's
you
all a
guys
blur
enjoyed.
now.
I'm surprised. Yeah, I don't know if somebody even has watched. If you guys have made it to this end, congrats.
Wow.
I mean, you have a attention span of somebody I've never met or will.
That's great.
It's insane.
That's great, guys. That's great.
You're a great listener. Pat yourself on the back.
You're a great listener, lady. The ladies will love you. The gents would love you too.
Yeah.
Or whoever you're into.
Yeah.
Because everybody likes a good listener, right?
Yeah. Rav is a
But
great
hey, thank you.
listener.